Hi everyone, in this video we'll go through a concept on how to find the increase percentage and decrease percentage of a number and vice versa. Let's take an example here. The original price of a shirt was rupees 700. It was decreased to 650 rupees. That is, originally the price of the shirt was 700. After some time, the shirt price was reduced to 650 rupees. It was reduced to 650 rupees. Now, we will have to figure out what is the percentage decrease. Right? How do we find that? We'll have to use this formula. That is, we'll take the original price. What is the original price? 700. What is the latest price? 650. Right? You find the difference. This is the initial price. This is the initial price or the original price. Right? Or the original price. And then later it was changed. Changed later to 650. Now I find the difference. Okay, and then I divide by the original or initial price. Original price or initial price. I divided by this particular initial price. So initial price is 700. And then I multiply with 100. See, I have to convert it to percentage. I have to convert into percentage. Whenever I have to convert into percentage, I have to multiply. Multiply by 100. So now what is the difference here? 700 minus 650 is 50 by 700 into 100. So what do I get? I get 50 by 7. What is 50 by 7? 7.14%. So the answer is 7.14%. In this case, it was decreased. I will change the same example and we'll say we increased. Say I increased from 700 instead of 650. I say I increased it to 800 rupees. Instead of decreased, I'll increase it. And I will say I need to find the increase. Right? Instead of percentage decrease, I have to find percentage increase here. The price of the shirt has increased from 700 to 800. Same formula. Since I have to find increase, right? I have to find increase percentage. So I'll find the difference. Difference between the later price and the earlier price. Right? Later price is 800. And initial price is 700. And I'll divide by the initial price. What is the initial price? 700. So remember one thing, the denominator will always have the initial price, right? The original price, initial price. Based on whether it is decrease or increase, you will swap this. So if it has decreased, you will take initial price minus later price. If it has increased, you will take later price minus initial price, right? Basically, you have to ensure that the number is positive. And then I have to multiply by 100. Let's not forget that. I have to multiply by 100 because I have to find it in percentage. So 800 minus 700 will be 100 by 700 into 100. This will get cancelled. So I'll be left with 100 by 7 percentage. What is 100 by 7? It is 14.2%. So remember to put the percent symbol and multiply by 100. This is very important. Now say we need to do the reverse, right? A number is given, we need to increase that particular number by a certain percentage. Number is given, right? We'll have to increase this particular number by a certain percentage. Say for example, I give 30 rupees to say person A. Now person A says, give me 10% more. A is asking me to give 10% more. What does it mean? I'll have to find 10% of 30 rupees. I need to give 10% of 30 rupees extra to this person A. So what I will do, I first have to find what is 10% of 30, right? What is 10% of 30 rupees? 10%. What is 10%? I'll have to write 10 by 100. 10% of 30 rupees. 10% of 30 rupees. Remember, this off will indicate its multiplication. 10% is 10 by 100. Off is into. Off means you have to put into 30 rupees. What is this? This is nothing but 3 rupees. 3 rupees. So basically, A wants 3 rupees more. 3 rupees more. Along with 30 rupees, A wants 3 rupees more. That is, he wants 30 plus 3 rupees more, which is 33 rupees is what A wants. Now, same thing we'll have to do. So what is that? Increase 30 by 10%. Increase. The word increase means there is addition here. Increase 30. So 30. Increase it. So plus, by how much? 10%. 10% is 10 by 100. 10% of which one? 10% of which one? 30 rupees. So into 30. So this is how we'll have to write. Now this is 30 plus, I'll get 3 here. That is nothing but 33 rupees. Right? Now let's take another example where I have to decrease a number by a certain percentage. Here I increased a number by certain percentage. Now I'll do the reverse. I want to decrease. It will be the same thing. Instead of addition, it will become what? Instead of addition, what will it be? Decrease, right? So it has to be subtraction. Say I want to decrease 200 by 40%. So decrease 200. So first try 200. Decrease, so minus. Decrease 200 minus by 40%. By 40%. 40% means 40 by 100. What did I say? Whenever you see percent, it is nothing but per 100 or by 100, right? So I've written it as by 100, 40 by 100. 40 by 100 of what? Of 200, right? Of 200. So I have to multiply with 200. So this will become 200 minus 40 into 2 is 80. So this is going to become 120. So what is the decrease? Decrease is by 120 rupees. The decrease is 120 rupees. So I have decreased 80 rupees. 80 rupees is 40% of 200. 40% of 200 is 80 rupees. And I have decreased this 80 rupees from 200. With this, we've come to the end of this particular topic. If you have found this video useful, do press a like and share it. Thank you.